LG refrigerator model LTWS24223S error codes. LG's new top-mount refrigerator has one of the largest capacity in the 33 wide category, featuring 24 cubic feet of total storage space in the refrigerator and freezer. That means more room for keeping food fresh, including LG's full-width glide-end serve pantry drawer and convenient internal water dispenser. It's as bright an idea as the modern glow of LG's LED light panel illumination. Error codes. Code FDS. Problem: freezer defrost sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RDS. Problem: refrigerator defrost sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RHS. Problem: humidity sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RIS. Problem: ice maker sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RSS. Problem: pantry sensor. Fix: the pantry is the deli drawer. Short in sensor or wiring problem. Code RRT. Problem: room temperature sensor. Fix: short in sensor or wiring problem. Code IT. Problem: system error inside ice maker. Fix: self-test ice maker routine. Code RGF. Problem: flow meter error code. Fix: water pressure, flow of water. Code FDH. Problem: sensor did not get over 40 F in defrost. Fix: faulty fuse, heater or control board. Code RDH. Problem: sensor did not get over 40 F. Fix: faulty fuse, heater or control board. Code IF. Problem: the fan for the ice compartment failed. Fix: icing fan blocked, ice fan motor is defective, wiring in the circuit is defective, or the control board has failed. Code IRFF. Problem: evaporator fan failed. Fix: fan motor, control board or wiring harness. Code IRCF. Problem: condenser fan motor is defective. Fix: condenser fan motor, wiring or the control board. Code IRCO. Problem: communication error. Fix: communication error between main board and display board.